Hey guys, let's learn the regression line and modeling using GeoGebra. Super easy, only on few clicks. So go to GeoGebra and you can see on this page geogebra.org, and when you click on app downloads, first option is calculator suite and then graphing calculator. So you can just go on graphing calculator. Here you will see three options. First is algebra, tools, and then third is table. So as we want to enter our points in the form of table, so please click on table, and before that you can bring your grid down so that you can see positive values of y and x. So I'm gonna clicking on table. Your table is there. Enter your points. So 0, 2, and 1, 3, and just entering random. You can try based on the questions given to you. 3, 5, 4, 8, 5, 10. Just trying to follow the double. So yeah, you can see now your points. If you want to adjust, you can definitely adjust. So I can have here, let's have 2.4 and here 4. Okay, so yeah, our points are ready. Now what you have to do, once your table is there, go to Y1, there are three dots, click, and now you're done. You can see statistics here, Y1 or XY1 statistics and the regression line. So click on regression. As soon as you click, you will see a regression model. By default, it is linear, and you can see the formula and the values. And once you're done, just click on plot. Done. You want to go and see more details, you can just click back, go to statistics, and see what sort of relation or correlation you have. So look, it's very strong, 0.97. So you can close it. And if you want to try some other regression model, same procedure. Go to these three dots of Y1 and click on regression model, maybe exponential, growth, quadratic, whichever you want, you can try. I'm gonna hit growth, and growth or exponential must be very similar. So a dot b power x. So you can see the values and plot. If you want to see them one by one in order to understand the difference, go to algebra and hide one of them. So look, I'm gonna hide the growth. So you can see only the linear, and if you want to see this, do it. So your growth model is ready. Of course you cannot see the points here, and points are in the table. So just clicking these three dots and you're done. If you want to see the values, you can click on statistics options. Here you go, everything you have in few clicks. Thank you. Try.